So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 8th of January. Now, let's have a look what happened with the XAUUSD, also known as gold now. So we've had, come down towards our 1305, we've had a strong move to the upside, broke out above this 1320. We traded above 1325, and with a move above 1325, I would have expected on a retest of 1320 for it to hold for further upside continuation. We did not see that. What we did see was a retracement down towards this 1358, and we had pretty much a perfect touch right there. The actual low of this candle, which opened at 2 p.m., is 1358, and the weekly pivot is at 1358, so pretty perfect all around. And what we have seen is more buy side momentum come into the market. Now we are trading above this 1320 25, 1320 25, and we do look poised for more upside continuation. So let's just draw this on the chart. So we've had the move down towards this 1358, had a perfect touch. We've had to move upwards back above the 1320 level. Now, in light of the most recent trend, the most recent trend here is pretty obvious, is to the upside. Test of 1320, sell off down to 1305, break above 1320, break down towards 1358. So we've got a low there, potentially higher low, in light of a trend that is to the upside. So we are expecting further upside progression on the XAUUSD. The very next level that we are looking at on the XAUUSD is in around this 34.53. It is a horizontal level, which I'm expecting to be a strong level, as is marked out here in red. Again, we'll see how price react towards this 1334. Whether we do see a brief sell-off from the 1334, possibly all the way down to 1320. But if we do break out above, and we don't see a sell-off from 1334, we are looking to see how price react in around 1340. Let's just get on the chart. So in around 1340, so it's about $6 away from 1334. Again, we'll see how prices react to move, beyond which we're looking for prices to head towards 1357, which 1357 were the highs of 2017 on the XAUUSD. Again, we're looking at potential sell side momentum taking us all the way back down. Now, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, if we're not able to sustain above this 1320, we'll see a price react towards this 1358. Again, if we don't see much of a reaction, probably won't see much of a reaction at around 1358. We're looking at the major level at 1305, which is quite a bit away. So we'll see if we find support at 1305, a breakdown from which we're looking to see how prices react to the 1296 horizontal level coupled with the 200 period moving average. I can't anticipate prices moving much below 1305, but 1296. But if prices do progress beyond 1296, I suppose 1288 would come into focus. I think that should pretty much wrap up everything here on the XAUUSD on the hourly time frame. So we'll take a big picture look now on gold. So we'll have a look at the monthly time frame. Let's get scale on here, correct? Let's just remove this indicator. Yep, there we are. So let's get this scale down here, correct? And as you can see here on the chart, let's just grab the pen. As you can see here on the charts, we've had a low there. We've posted a higher low. We're having this low progression. We've had a brief pullback from the 1357. We had a brief pullback, but we have posted a bullish month. The previous month was pretty bullish. I think the previous 2 months actually. Bear with me a second. I'm just going to have a check. No, the previous month was bullish. A pretty strong close near its highs, and we do look poised for more further upside continuation. So this potentially is our third higher low. So we've had a higher low there, potentially a third higher low for further upside continuation towards essentially beyond 1357, 1375, and eventually $1,400 an ounce on gold. Now let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So here on this weekly time frame, you can see here we've got a lows, higher low, but slightly higher low here. So we are waiting to see our price direct towards the 400 period moving average, as well as the horizontal level in around this 1357. So yeah, that should pretty much wrap up the weekly time frame. So we're just going to head over to the daily before wrapping up here on the XAUUSD. So here on the daily time frame, we can see that we've had our previous sell-offs from there. Went into a kind of a bit of a trading range there. We've had a breakdown in prices, and we've had support in around 136. We've had a very strong progression to the upside. Not many bearish days at all. Candles closing near the high, suggesting quite a bit of strong buy side momentum. Not many reactions to previous levels. So we are looking potentially for euro prices to pull back down to 13.15 before heading up to 30.34, or simply continue to 30.34 without returning to the 13.15 or 13.13 or 13.05. So we are expecting further upside continuation. So if we do get a bit of a bull flag form here above this 13.05, we're looking for a break and a move towards 13.34 and eventually 13.57. On this daily time frame, I suppose we've previously mentioned all the other levels that we are looking at, but ultimately this market does appear to be in a very bullish territory. And with that said, that should pretty much wrap up the XAU USD analysis. Thanks for watching.